Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Polkadot charts or DOT charts, and we're going to see where it might be headed, and we will cover both bullish and bearish scenarios as well, just to simply cover all of the different possibilities. Now, for those of you who love trading crypto and would like to try out the same exchange that I use on a regular basis, feel free to go ahead and try out the Blowfin exchange with the link in the video description down below this video. Now, the big reason why I love using the Blowfin exchange is because they allow anybody from anywhere to be able to sign up and trade crypto futures. They do not have restrictions. So if you are from the United States and you want to trade crypto futures, you can do it right here on the Blowfin exchange. And this is actually where I currently trade my crypto futures as well. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at the Polkadot charts. So as you guys can clearly see, we had a giant wick to the downside yesterday or today or whatever in the current daily candle. Last 3 days have actually been pretty bearish, but right now it looks like price ended up coming back, which is very, very nice. We ended up coming down to this very bottom support level down here at around $4.82, which is a level that we created way back here, back towards the end of November in 2023. And so far we have bounced from that level, and we also bounced from this other minor support level right here of $5.38. So that's pretty nice as well. And currently we are in the green. Now, in a bullish scenario, what I want to personally see happening here is, first of all, I want to see us get past this next resistance level here of $6.08. All right. Now, the only way that that is going to happen is if the total overall altcoin market continues to go upwards. All right. As you guys can clearly see, the total crypto altcoin market ended up going down to this support level down here of $520 billion and ended up rejecting it and going straight back up, which was very, very, very nice to see. So far, that's what we're seeing. And so far, we want to see this current daily candle either close above this previous daily candle or above this now resistance level of $558 billion. If that happens, then I fully have no doubt that DOT could potentially reach this level up here at $6.08 and bust right through it. And in addition to busting through the resistance level, it'll also bust right through the 20-period EMA as well, and we could be starting to head upwards towards the 50-period EMA. Now, if we end up getting up towards this 50-period EMA and we do have enough momentum to continue higher, then we will be looking up towards this next level up here, right around the $6.93 level. Now, for me to feel extremely bullish on DOT as far as having another big leg upwards to the upside, I want to see it completely past this level up here of $7.80. All right. This is kind of one of the big levels that we ended up hitting before we started dropping, as you guys can clearly see. So once we get up to this level, I want to see us have enough momentum to be able to cross through it. Now, once we do cross through it, and if we do have enough momentum, the next big time level after that is going to be around $10.07. And then obviously once we reach that level, there should be enough momentum to get past this level up here of $11.89. All right. But we can only look at what's happening right now. And that's kind of where I like to keep my focus on, is what is happening right now. And currently, we are trading between $5.38 and $6.08. And these are the two levels we want to be looking at right now. Don't think about the all-time high. Don't think about the all-time current cycle low. Think about the levels that we are currently trading within right now as we speak. Now, if we look at the RSI, we can clearly see that we did come down below the moving average, which is typically not a good sign. But as you guys can clearly see, with that bounce that we had, we are heading up towards the moving average once again. Now, if we end up closing this daily candle above the moving average, that's going to be very good news. It's going to be very good news, and we could potentially end up be able to have enough momentum to breach past this $6.08 level and potentially bust through this 50-period EMA as well, which would be nice to see. Now, in a bearish scenario, if this doesn't happen, let's say that the total 3 altcoin market cap actually doesn't end up being bullish and ends up closing below yesterday's close and ends up closing closer down to this to the support level down here, $520 billion, and then the next candle opens up red and we continue down further. If that were to end up happening, I could fully see DOT end up dropping past this level of $4.82. All right. Now, if that does end up happening, I mean, I don't have my levels marked out for those levels yet, but as you guys can clearly see, we have got another support area right down around this level. I guess you could say around the $4.05 level, or another one down here at $3.53, right around $3.55 or somewhere around there as well. All right. So it's all a matter of what is going to happen with the overall altcoin market, over the overall altcoin market cap in general. All right, so you got to keep an eye on the overall altcoin market, and which is the total 3 chart, and see what is happening there. All right. So guys, before I go ahead and wrap up this video, if you feel like you got some decent value out of it, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button below the video, and leave me a comment below on your personal thoughts on where you personally think the price of Polkadot is going to go here in the short to midterm. And hey guys, with that said, for those of you who watched this entire video throughout the entire thing, thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my future videos.